Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to draw a Dodge Viper. We'll begin by laying down the fundamental shapes. First, draw a long, low rectangle for the main body, which will serve as your foundation. Next, add 2 circles for the wheels, making sure they are evenly spaced and sized. Finally, sketch the distinctive long hood and the basic shape of the passenger cabin. This initial framework is crucial for getting the proportions right. Now, let's refine those initial sketches into the Viper's recognizable form. Gently connect your basic shapes, creating the car's sleek, aerodynamic body lines. Pay attention to the curves over the wheel wells, giving them a smooth, powerful look. Then, add details to the wheels, perhaps sketching in a 5-spoke rim design. Don't forget to outline the aggressive front grille and the unique, narrow headlight shapes. Moving on, we'll incorporate some of the Viper's most iconic features. Carefully draw the distinctive side vents, usually located behind the front wheels. Next, add the prominent rear spoiler, which gives the car its aggressive stance. Sketch in the windshield and side windows, along with the subtle door lines. Finally, include the small circular fuel cap and the dual exhaust pipes, often found centrally at the rear, to complete these key details. For our final steps, we'll bring your Dodge Viper drawing to life with shading and finishing touches. Use varying pencil pressure to add shadows and highlights, giving your drawing a 3-dimensional appearance and emphasizing the car's powerful contours. Carefully erase any remaining guidelines to ensure a clean, polished look. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Take your time with these details to make your Viper truly stand out.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.